In today's video, I will walk you through how to deposit crypto on Gate. Whether you're transferring crypto from another exchange or from your personal wallet, Gate makes the process simple and secure. Let's get started. Once you're on the home page, you're ready to begin your deposit. Move your cursor at the top of the page and select Deposit. Scroll down till you find On-Chain Deposit and click it. You'll now be taken to the deposit page, where you can choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to receive. Use the search bar to quickly find your preferred coin, such as USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other supported cryptocurrency. Click on the asset you want to deposit. Next, you'll need to select the blockchain network. This is one of the most important steps in the entire process. For example, if you're depositing USDT, you may see options like TRC20, ERC20, BEP20, or other supported networks. Always make sure the network you select on Gate matches the network you're using on the platform or wallet you're sending from. Sending funds through the wrong network can result in permanent loss of your assets. After selecting the correct network, Gate will display your deposit address and, for some cryptocurrencies, a memo or tag. If a memo or tag is provided, be sure to copy and include it when sending your funds. Now, go to the wallet or exchange where your crypto is currently stored. Paste the deposit address you copied from Gate, enter the amount you want to send, double-check that the address and network are correct, and then confirm the withdrawal. Once the transaction is broadcast to the blockchain, you'll simply need to wait for the required network confirmations. After enough confirmations, your deposited assets will appear in your Gate account and will be available for trading, investing, or transferring. And that's how you deposit assets on Gate.